Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking you on a journey into the world of dental care as we explore the fascinating realm of dental crowns. In this video, we will explain about what is dental crown, when it's needed, how the procedure works, and advantages of dental crown. So stay with me till the end to find out more. Alright, let's start with the basics. A dental crown, often referred to as a cap, is a dental restoration that encases a damaged or weakened tooth. This protective cover not only restores the tooth's shape and size, but also enhances its strength and appearance. Dental crowns can be crafted from various materials, including porcelain, ceramic, metal alloys, or even a combination of these materials. Now let's explore the scenarios that might lead to needing a dental crown. If a tooth has extensive decay that's too much for a regular filling to repair, a dental crown might be recommended. This restores the tooth's structural integrity while preventing further damage. A cracked or fractured tooth can be significantly weakened and prone to further breakage. A dental crown acts as a protective shield, holding the tooth together and preventing it from worsening. Following a root canal treatment, a tooth becomes more fragile due to the removal of its internal pulp. A dental crown adds an extra layer of protection, ensuring the tooth remains functional and strong. Dental crowns aren't only about function, they're about aesthetics too. Teeth that are misshapen, severely discolored, or have cosmetic imperfections can be improved with dental crowns, helping you achieve a brighter, more uniform smile. Finally, dental crowns play a pivotal role in dental bridges. They serve as anchors, holding the bridge in place and ensuring stability for the artificial tooth. All right, now let's delve into the dental crown procedure itself. The process typically involves several steps. First, initial consultation. Your dentist will examine your tooth and discuss the need for a crown. X-rays might be taken to assess the extent of the damage. Then, tooth preparation. In this step, the tooth receiving the crown is prepared by removing any decayed or damaged portions. The tooth is then reshaped to accommodate the crown. An impression of the prepared tooth is taken, which serves as a mold for creating the custom crown. You might receive a temporary crown to protect the tooth while the permanent one is being crafted. The impression is sent to a dental laboratory where skilled technicians craft your custom crown. This process can take a couple of weeks. Once the permanent crown is ready, you'll return to the dentist for its placement. The fit and color will be checked before the crown is permanently cemented onto the prepared tooth. Now that you know the procedure, let's discuss the advantages of dental crowns. 1. Protection and strengthening. Dental crowns provide exceptional protection to weakened teeth. By covering the tooth's entire surface, they shield it from potential damage caused by chewing and other forces. 2. Aesthetic enhancement. Beyond their functional role, crowns contribute to the appearance of your smile. They can be color-matched to blend seamlessly with your natural teeth, restoring your confidence. 3. Restoration of function. Teeth that are damaged or decayed might have compromised functionality. Dental crowns can help restore the normal function of these teeth, allowing you to eat and speak comfortably. Lastly, durability. Dental crowns are designed to be durable and long-lasting. With proper care and regular dental checkups, they can serve you well for many years. Taking care of your dental crown is vital to ensure its longevity. Here are a few tips. Continue practicing good oral hygiene by brushing and flossing regularly. This prevents gum disease and decay from affecting the tooth beneath the crown. Avoid harmful habits. Refrain from chewing on hard objects such as ice or pens, as this can put unnecessary stress on your crown. Lastly, regular checkups. Schedule routine dental checkups to monitor the health of your crown and address any concerns before they escalate. And there you have it, an overview of dental crowns and when you might need one. If you ever find yourself in a situation where your dentist recommends a dental crown, don't worry. It's a common procedure that can greatly improve the health and appearance of your teeth. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.